Nate. Today I would like to introduce you a new feature of our vending machine. If you are not just selling snack and drink, this feature can be very important to you. The problem we are trying to solve is that when customers want to buy something, they always want to know more details before they make the payment. So how can the vending machine provide more information on that? Let me show you our solution. Click one product, and we have a button, more details. And now he can see more information such as specification, product description, instruction. Maximum, you can upload 10 pictures to this page. So the experience for customer is like they are buying online, but they are making payment and get the product real time from the vending machine. If you are interested in these features, please contact us for more information. Thank you. Together, let's step into the new era of unmanned retail, Micron Smart Vending.